There's a tree, dead tree. There's an axe.
Yeah?
I'm going to teach you how to throw an axe to stick into the tree, just like Daniel Boone.
Oh, that should be easy.
You can do that?
Yeah, in Taekwondo we learned how to throw knives.
This is an axe, Steph. This is not a knife. Let me show you, okay? Let me show you.
There you go.
Okay, I'm just warming up. Just warming up. Okay.
Go faster!
Okay, that was just to warm up. Just getting the, you know, the muscles, you know. I should have actually stretched. I should be good now. I was aiming for the tree behind it. I don't know if you know.
Ah,
See how I chopped that branch off?
Tiny.
Chop that branch off?
Yeah.
Are we paying attention?
I'm paying attention.
Okay, so I demonstrated hitting the tree behind the tree that you thought I was going for. And I lopped off that branch. Now I'm going to go...
I think you're a liar.
For some
it
tree,
just missed.
For some tree over there. Well, if the tree wasn't rotten, it would have stuck in. But you get the gist?
Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay. Let me try it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, losers. I mean, was the axe fault? I was great.
Yeah, you were. Yeah. That damn axe. That damn axe is not balanced, people. It's not balanced. Yes, I know. I'm wearing zinc. The lovely Naomi lent me some zinc because I got a split lip. Stop writing in, people. Where you going?
I'm going in. That was amazing!
Yeah.
It's nothing. They even taught me how to throw a knife backwards.
Yeah, really?
Yeah. Like this. And the last one.
Fair enough, people. Well, I didn't. This is supposed to be a joke episode.
That's great.
This was supposed to be a joke episode, and we were gonna, you know, play around, you know, doing special effects, but we don't need any special effects because she hit the tree and it stuck in anyway.
So what is it? Soft? Maybe it's really.
Well, I don't hurt yourself.
Oh, okay, that's not gonna work.
Is that hurt?
Yeah, it's just.
You got another injury? Uh-huh.
Not gonna work. There.
You could actually probably chop that down. I'm not daring you to do it, but...
No, it's not working. It looks awful. I'm not gonna use that.
You might get termites in your bits, though, accidentally.
Yeah.
It might go down your leg.
That's not working. Still.
Putting on a sports top because apparently her boobs come out during yoga.
Yes. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna show them to you.
I'm thinking something
I'm sorry.
and seeing if you're picking up what I'm thinking. That might get me a few extra views.
I don't care!
Should we think about the vlog? Be selfless. What?
have to explain anything to you.
Like, subscribe, comment.
No, do full figure eights. Don't stall them halfway. Go all the way over, all the way over, all the way over. That's it, and run with it. Big right, pull right. That's it. Now run, walk back, stalling, whoa. Okay, remember white is always right. So if you flip it, you turn it and you go always right. Alright, how about we got rocks, so how about we walk this way, leave it like that, don't worry about it. It's not going to kill you. You're damn straight. This little kite could power a little boat, a little knackerer. Alright, okay, now bring it up, so tease it up. It's going to take some time, so don't panic. We're going to have to spill that water out. Okay, walk back. Arms long. There we go. A bit of right. Okay, now control it. Now start doing big figure eights. And then walk it back a little bit. That's it. Now fly. If you ran it across right, you would have gone 10 meters. So play with it. Slide on your belly. I don't know. It's gonna hurt her feet. We'll have to doctor her again. Well, she'll doctor herself. So you're just walking with it, running with it. Just slide, fall forward, fall, and hold it, and fall. Okay, that's it. Walk it back and then play with it. That's it. Now figure eights, keep it moving. Now remember, this is the power zone. Keep it moving in that. Don't go too high. Don't go too wide. Keep it in this zone, like an eye. I don't think this kite's going to last very long. Oh, geez. Good fun? It's a lot of power, isn't it?
Yes, it's really awesome.
Alright, do it again. Try and control it. As you're flying in the water, you now then going left and bringing up again. And then you're doing these zigzags all the way to the beach. So try not to crash it. Okay, go, send it left. Slide! The kite's going left, and you're springing with it. when you're springing with it, you're taking all the power out of it. So if you lay your body down like a board and you act at an angle, then the power will still be on and you'll still fly. You don't want to go with the kite. You want to go that way. Throw your body side. You have to fall. She doesn't like to fall, people. Yeah, that's it. You got it up. Okay, now go right and fall, and then slide your body. The GoPro's fallen off the kite. Just leave it like that. Don't try to launch it. Hello. Went the wrong way. I think we might have put a hole in the kite. Well, that's what happens when you keep hitting it. Yeah, I think we've got a hole in it. Anyway, it still should have enough. The wind's actually getting stronger, so let's try and use it. Let's just try not to hit the water with any great strength. So you remember, your figure eights, you should be not going to the kite, more like that, and then when it's over there, you turn right, figure eight over here, I'm sliding over this way. So you've been doing these Zs all the way to about 50 meters, then you get up, you walk back, okay? And it should be continual, you shouldn't have to stack the kite. Left, right, left, and you're zigzagging along, okay? The kite's looking a bit sad, Steph.
Yeah.
I think we put a hole in it. Bag's not trying to find the hole. I had to do the last bloody 9. Alright, come on, we might as well, if we've wrecked it a bit, we might as well wreck it a bit more. So go right. Yay! Yeah, but it didn't crash into the water. It just gradually went into the water. That's better. Now you actually slid on your belly.
Yeah.
That's what I've been telling you to do.
Yeah, but it's kind of hard.
Oh, stop it. Trust thy master. Yeah, no, run. Oh, no, too many rocks. So get it left, but then send it right. Okay, there's too many rocks that way. So a bit more left. Send it left, slowly, and then send it right and slide. More left, and do a big slide. And control it when it starts to go down. Okay, go for a run. Go for a slide. Fall. You're pulling the left. Yeah, no, you should. Yeah, no, that's correct. I had to think about it then, people. But you finally are body sliding.
Yeah.
All right. Take some time. You just fall to your death. How hard is that, people? Just fall.
Yeah, but falling is different if you crash into the end.
Fall, crash forward. Listen to thy master. Go for slide. Control it. Sort of. No, it's not turning because you're taking out all the power because you're going too far with it. You got to try and more lay down, and not entirely Steph's fault. The wind has dropped a few knots, so you need a bit more power. Okay. Go. There you go! Finally! Listen to thy master. What was that? Your focus. The only words that should come from your mouth is, yes, thy master. now? How many did you do? 3? But you still tried to get up out of the slide. On the first one or the second one. Just keep going. But you can only do 4 now. Do 4, okay? There you go. Send it right, start sliding. Go! That was the best one yet, people.
Now listen up, you sailing into freedom, mad bastards. The numbers are in the toilet. You need to get off your lazy butts. Like, subscribe, comment, share the videos around to your mates. Don't you make me come there and you up.